Hello and welcome back. This time we're gonna take a look at the odd item. This came out during the original trilogy collection, and it's kind of a reproduction of the early bird certificate package from 1977. They didn't have time to release any figures, so if you bought this plain paper package, you were promised 4 figures. And this was sold back in 2005, and you could also buy a small tray of 4 figures, and it was the same figures as released back in the day. So this one came in this plastic blister. This is how it looks when it's opened. So it's a paper base plate with a backing card with original 12 figures. And we have some knickknacks here. So kind of cool. And these were the 4 figures that came with the mailer box. I do have that one, but yeah, it's still sealed in a white paper box, so it's not much to look at. But here we go. You can see some instructions here. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And it does reminds me of, well, of the good old days. When we had the old, really old Kenner figures. Yeah. So this is it for this video, and please like and subscribe, and come back for more. I have, well, a lot more to show you. So until next time, bye bye.